How to resize a video in CapCut on a PC. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can resize a video in CapCut. So let's get into it. So once you've added the video and you've imported it, you have it in your timeline, what you want to do is you want to just simply search or click on the video, and here you'll notice at the top right corner that you have some basic options. You have video, audio, speed, animation, adjustments, and many more, right? Here in the basic option, you click on the video and click on basic. Here you can scale the video and you can resize it, reshape it however you feel like it. You can position it by using the position button. You can see right here, X over here, Y over here. You can rotate the video with this little bar over here. Totally depends on you. You can even see over here that you have this little option where you can go ahead and increase the size, decrease it, crop it, whatever you want, right? So this is how you can do it. You got the blend options, you got other options as well, but mainly this is where you can go ahead and try and basically change the size of the video. You can, trim it, resize it, totally depends on you. Now, another cool thing is if you wanted to, let's say, go really deep, right? This is the normal version, right? Let me just, 100%. And here we'll just go with a normal 0. There we go. It's back where it's supposed to. Now, what you want to do is you can see right here, this little corner, this add keyframe button. So if I go to the very beginning, I'll add a keyframe. And let's say I want to be able to zoom in from here, because here the video itself is zooming in, but I want to zoom in like this section right here, right here. I'll add another keyframe, and now I'll move my preview window to where I want the zoom in to stop. And here I'll just zoom in a little bit and it'll automatically add a keyframe. So now if I go back, this is how it's going to look like. You can see it's zooming in as well. So next, you can see over here, I don't want it to zoom out. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and go back over here and change it from 125 to 100. There we go. That's how it looks like. So now it'll look something like this. Zooming in, immediately zooms out. So pretty cool, right? So this is how you can do it. As I said before, if you want to crop it, you can do it by this button, scale over here. There you go. So this is how you can do it. This is how you can resize or adjust a video in CapCut. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.